Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was sent these little boxes. Now, these boxes can be used for so many different things because it's like a nesting box, but you can use them for decoration. Like I've got them set up here just to kind of display different things. Now, yeah, they could sit on the counter, but look at how cool this all looks. And these are nice wooden boxes. They've actually got that tongue and groove right here, so it's actually built really well. And they each have a little handle. So if you did want to stack them up like I have, you can stack them up, you can turn them whichever way, or you could even use them like I did down here for just a storage bin. So that is really nice that you can use these for so many different reasons and different ways within your house. And they're nice sizes as far as, you've got a little smaller one that's around 9.5, 10 inches. And then you got your big guy over here that's around 16 inches. So, that holds like this whole little car on top of there. The wood is done absolutely beautifully. It's all nice and soft all the way around. And I love that they all have the handles. And I want to show you just how they nest because actually is really nice as far as storage purposes that whenever you're not using them or you need to put them away, maybe you're just using them for a certain season's decorations, you can easily just pile these inside each other and they all go together really nicely to store for all of your things. Said you can put these in for decorations, have it all look really nice. Everything goes together well. I'm gonna get all these together, put it up, and voila, all together, really nice set of boxes that you can use whether you're storing or for decoration.